Hi there. Have you ever wondered how modern applications harness the raw power of CPUs, GPUs, and FPGAs to run faster and more efficiently? Whether it's AI, graphics rendering, or scientific simulation, parallel computing is everywhere. But here is a challenge. Writing code that takes full advantage of this hardware isn't exactly plug and play, unless you know OpenCL. That's why we have put together this hands-on OpenCL course designed to take you from the basics to writing high-performance parallel programs with ease. And the best part, you don't need to be a parallel computing expert to get started. If you know some programming, you are good to go. Hi, I am Mahin Rashid and welcome to our course Beginner's Guide to OpenCL Programming. This course aims to equip you with the core concepts through a series of well-structured modules involving practical sessions and thus launch yourself to a platform from where you could explore the advanced concepts on your own. In this course, you will learn how to set up your development environment, create high-performance kernels, and optimize memory access for maximum efficiency. You'll also dive into developing multi-GPU applications and learn how to identify bottlenecks using profiling tools. We will cover all these key areas while exploring memory management, workload distribution, and performance profiling, equipping you to develop scalable solutions for any computational challenge. What sets this course apart is its emphasis on hands-on learning. Whether you are a complete beginner or have some programming experience, you will gain the practical knowledge and skills needed to design and optimize high-performance computing applications that scale across different devices using OpenCL. By the end of this course, you will have solid expertise in OpenCL, the powerful open standard framework for parallel computing, and you will be capable of writing high-performance code that runs seamlessly across CPUs, GPUs, and other accelerators. So students, what are you waiting for? Join me on this exciting journey. Together, we will explore the principles of OpenCL programming, build simple projects, and unlock your full potential. Your future in parallel programming starts here.